outside with the cuties. I don't think the woods are too deep. The grass covers the sand. Oh, the wood is damp. Feeling very touched, 'cause my friends are in love. Feeling pretty far from home, so I sit to write this down. I guess it's not really brave. I know I'm not a lake. I haven't written this part yet. Will you help me write it? You are bug bites on vacation. You find the sad in everything. Can't see you cry. You're down the street. I wonder when you'll talk to me.